Hello, thank you for joining me today. I am very excited about this haul because it is from Makeup Revolution. I just love their products. This I ordered directly from their site. A lot of the things I've ordered from Ulta. I think this might have been the first time that I ordered from their site, but I can't remember for sure. But it comes in a box and you tear it off and then it opens up like this. So I thought that was pretty cool. The products are in here, so you don't have a box in a box or anything like that. And yeah, I like how that comes open. And it says quality, affordable, cruelty-free beauty for everyone. You are the revolution. That box is made with corrugated recycles, and it does say this packaging is made from regulated, sustainable sources and is 100% recyclable. And it comes with this advertisement and it says, welcome to the revolution, Stacy. It kind of shows you can get a free palette off your next order, and it tells you your order, what you purchased, no prices, so if you were giving it as a gift or something, and then talks about their color books. So I think that that's a nice little advertisement and some deals. Just to avoid some noise, I'm going to take everything out of the box right now. To show you, everything was wrapped up in this. There's two of these that they were wrapped up in, so very well packaged. After I show you what I purchased, look at what we got. A mystery bag. That's one of the reasons, well, actually, let me rephrase. That's the reason I placed this order. And they do still have, obviously, I don't know what will be in that mystery bag, and I'm tempted to place another order, but I know I shouldn't. But they are still having on their website, if you spend $45, you get a free mystery bag. So the things that I ordered, I really don't need another palette, but this is from Makeup Obsession. It is one of the lines under Revolution. You have Makeup Obsession, I Heart Revolution, Revolution Pro, and Makeup Revolution. I think I got them all. And so, and then they have Makeup Revolution Skincare. So I've never tried anything from the Makeup Obsession line, so I wanted to give it a shot. And this is Kisses eyeshadow palette, and there is 16 shades in here. It does have the ingredients on the back, and it says there are eyeshadows and pressed pigments in here. Let me know down below. I'm thinking about doing a video comparing pressed pigments and eyeshadows because personally I'm curious what exactly the difference is. Ooh, look how pretty. So you have your mirror, and then let me take this off. So here are the colors. And I'm assuming, I've never depotted anything, but I'm assuming how they are set up like that, that you could depot these if you wanted to, how it has the little thing like that. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not positive, but ooh, no sense. And so very cool. These again are the colors. Some of the names, I won't go through them all, but some of the names are very cute. There's Date Night, Flashlight, Kiss Me Quick, Chocolate, Feeling Cute. So very, very cool. Definitely will have to do a look with that. Awesome. This is I Heart Revolution. This is Heartbreakers Collection, and this is a blush. So here is the packaging. That's very cute. I Heart Revolution Charming Matte Blush. Oh, look how cute. It's a broken heart. So I don't know if that comes out. No. Okay. So no, it does not come out of here. So this is the packaging for it. So that is really cute. The other thing from that collection is the I Heart Revolution, the Heartbreakers. I'm not going to open this yet until I'm ready to use it. But the dofa, I'll insert a picture here. The dofa is heart-shaped. Isn't that adorable? And then on the bottom, when it shows the color, there's a little heart. The lid is heart. Concealer with coconut extract and vitamin C, E, A, B3, and B5. That is so cute. Golden Sugar is the color I have. I can't remember if I said that. And from the Revolution Pro line, this is the Diamond Luster Lipstick in Razzle. Ooh, look at this. I love sparkly things. And ooh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Not to sound dramatic, I know it's just makeup, but look at how beautiful that is. Look at the sparkles. Let's see how it swatches. So there is some shimmer and sparkle in the swatch. It is so pretty. It almost looks like velvety almost. I kind of wish I could get like fabric like that. Wow. Okay, sorry to go on a tangent here, but that is just so gorgeous. Then we have, this is another reason that I purchased this, because I saw this on Instagram and I've never tried anything like this. So this is the Revolution Soap Brow. So I saw this on Instagram and originally it had sold out and then it was restocked. So when it was restocked, I was like, okay, I need to try this and see what this is all about. And when I was reading, it sounds like they've done this like in Hollywood for a long time. I had never even heard of it. Let me know if you have. So Soap Brow, and dampen the applicator and swipe across the soap. Brush gently across the brows in desired direction to create a 3D look, or use without water to hold brows in place. So you know I'll be using it both ways to see how this works. Here is the little brush. And then there's the soap. So, I guess, yeah, on Instagram and it just showed that you kind of go like that. So let me know if you have ever tried a brow soap. But I'm definitely interested in to use that. Let me know if you'd like to see a first impression or just wait until I do like a full review on it. And then the Revolution Skincare, this is the first item from them of skincare that I'm going to try. And if you have been following me on Instagram, or I recently have been using Good Molecules with niacinamide, and I absolutely love that stuff. I took a break from it because I'm trying another skincare line, and I just wanted to see if I noticed a difference not using it. Sometimes I feel like you can kind of get the biggest idea of a skincare item if you use it, see what results you're getting, and then stop using it, and to see kind of how your skin is looking then. Because I noticed that my dryness was really going away and my pores were lessening when I was using it. And then when I stopped using it, the dryness is kind of coming back. So I definitely need, that tells me I definitely need niacinamide in my skincare routine. I'm interested to see how this is. This is a clarifying essence spray and it has niacinamide in it. For dry skin or enlarged pores, I would highly recommend niacinamide. I do have a video all about the ingredients. I will link up here if you want to watch that. Now, so those are my purchased items. I am very happy, not disappointed at all. For the mystery bag, mystery bags get you, they just are so exciting, I feel like, because it's like the mystery of it. It is kind of like a Ziploc. I won't peek. What do we got? We got someone in bubble wrap. So in bubble wrap, we have, this is Revolution Strobe Highlighter Flash. So here is what that looks like. Ooh, it looks pretty. It kind of looks like a satiny. I am probably not going to open that. I think that I probably will use it, but I want to double check what other highlighters I have in strobe highlighters just to make sure that I want to keep it and not put it in a giveaway. So I'm going to double check before I open that. Then we have, a lipstick. This is Revolution, and the color is Date. Look at that one. Yeah, this might go in a giveaway. I'm not sure because I do have the Pure Barbie Bright Pink. I'll have to kind of decide on this one. That is a very, very bright pink. That would be really nice for summer. So yeah, we'll decide on that one. I gotta open it. Ooh, a lip kit. This is Retro Luxe Metallic Lip Kit, Lip Contour Kit, Lip Pencil, and Liquid Lip. We Rule, I'm thinking is the color. Yep. So here is the packaging. Cool. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty. So this is We Rule Lip Pencil. So that is the color of that. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at this liquid lip. That looks really pretty. That looks like that would be a really pretty combination. Ooh, yay. I guess that's why it's in a lip kit, huh? Ooh, we have a palette. This is Travel Friendly Makeup Palette, Beauty Legacy. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Okay. Is that somebody's? I'm gonna have to research it. Does anyone know? Is that like a YouTuber or an influencer, or what does that mean? Okay, 6 highly pigmented eyeshadows, contour, blush, and highlight. But it feels nice. Okay. Ooh. So you have a mirror, and then, so what did it say? 9 highly pigmented eyeshadows, contour, blush, and highlight. So, ooh, this orchid color is looking so pretty. Yeah, so it looks like you have mostly mattes. It looks like they're all mattes except for 3. I always put my hands on the mirror. The crystal, copper, and that orchid looks like they're the only shimmery ones, that the other ones are all mattes, so that's nice. Okay, we have one more item, right? Ooh. Yes, okay. If you like glitter, look at this. Glitter, glitter, glitter. So this seems perfect for this name. Life on the Dance Floor After Party Eyeshadow Palette. That seems like a perfect name for it. So here is, you have the mirror and then a piece of paper that has the color, the shade names. Can you see that? Okay. So we have Celebrate, 3 a.m., No Sleep, Socialite, Break of Day, Black Cab. Okay, that's just a few of those. And here is what the color, big nice mirror. And here is what the colors look like. Ooh, that is so pretty. I know that I've seen these palettes with the glittery fronts like that, but I don't have any. So yeah, I'm excited about this mystery bag. I would say that that is a really good mystery bag. Let me know what you think. So you have an eyeshadow palette with 24 eyeshadows. Then you have your face palette, lip kit with lip liner and liquid lipstick, a highlighter, and a lipstick. So I think that is pretty good. Again, you have to spend $45 to get the mystery bag. So I think that's awesome. So yay! Let me know what you think, if you have tried any of these products, or if any of these products you're like, I want to see that first as a review or a first impression, and what your thoughts are on the mystery bag. I love hearing from you guys. So yay, this is exciting. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free to you. Thanks, bye.